Hi everyone, welcome to YaguTamizhi. In this video, we are going to see what is availability set. Before going to start our video, I request you people to see my video in the sequential order. For that, I provide my playlist link in the description. So please check the link in the description. Now we will see what is availability set. Availability set is nothing, it is one of the option available in Azure which help us to make our service available during the planned and unplanned maintenance inside the same data center. So if you understand this entire line, then you are ready with the concept availability set. So I will tell once again, availability set is one of the option make our service available. This is our service, it always make our service available where in this data center, inside the same data center only. Availability set help us to make our service available inside the same data center. It is not help us to protect our service between multiple data center. This is data center 1 and this is data center 2. Assume that. So it always help us to protect our service available in the data center level only. It is not between multiple data centers. One of the thing we have to understand. And another one is from the two problems. One is due to planned and another one is unplanned maintenance. Whenever these two problems occurs, our availability is set help us to make our service available. So this is the concept of availability set. If you are still confusing between the what is availability set, no, don't worry, we will see with the example. Assume that we started a new startup company called Converse Data Solution. Okay, for that company we are trying to build one website. Okay, after some days we built one website. So now we plan to host our website in any of the cloud, because the cloud is cheaper, everyone knows. So we choose Microsoft Azure. Okay, assume that this is our website, so we plan to deploy inside the Azure. Okay, once we deployed our website into the Azure, so our website will be available through globally, so the people can able to access our website anywhere in the world. So in the business world, everyone wants to make our service available. Is nothing, they want to make our service available in the entire 24/7, always available. But there is a problem which make our service unavailable in the data center level. There is three problems you can see here. One is due to planned maintenance, another one is due to unplanned maintenance, and another one is due to data center level failure. The data center level failure is nothing. Assume that our website is hosted inside the data center, right? If anything happened to the entire data center due to natural disaster or man-made disaster, the entire data center will be failed, right? So on that time our service will be not available. This is one of the problem. And another two problem, one is planned and unplanned maintenance. Before going to see that, availability set only help us to protect our service only from planned and unplanned maintenance, not from the data center level failure. Only these two things only, planned and unplanned maintenance. Now we'll see what is planned and unplanned maintenance. In this video we will try to understand what is planned and unplanned maintenance. In the next video we'll see how availability set help us to protect our service during the planned and unplanned maintenance. Now we'll see planned maintenance. Planned maintenance is nothing like software update or hardware update, like to improve their security or they make their system new version of the hardware. For that, those things Microsoft what they will do, they will update their hardware or software. Assume that this is our website is hosted inside this this is the server. Assume that whenever Microsoft wants to update their server or their software to improve their performance or security, so they want to update their those things, software or hardware. So on the time what happen, most of the time Microsoft will update their server and hardware without any downtime. Some rare cases it asks to restart the entire server or hardware. You can able to assume that you have mobile phone. In the mobile phone, whenever the software update came, once you done the update, first of all what it asks us to restart our mobile phone, right? Likewise also the same thing happening here. In some rare cases when they update the hardware or software, it asks to restart the entire system. So on the time what happened, when the server restart, our website also will not available, right? On that scenario, the people from the outside the world, they trying to access, means they are not able to access our website. This is one of the problem. This is due to planned maintenance. The Microsoft will know when the downtime will occur, because they only going to update their hardware or software, right? So that is called planned means they will know when our server will goes down. The second one is unplanned maintenance. Unplanned maintenance is nothing. Okay, assume that this is the server, right? If you want to make our server available, what are the things we require? One is network connection, continuous network connection. Another one is power connection. Likewise, we have cooling system or network switches. Like this, these are the factors which helps to make our server available, hardware, everything. So if any one of those things are got affected, then our server will be not available. Example, assume that the network cables are disconnected or the power outage, so then our server will be not available, right? So on that case also, the users are not able to access our service, because our server will be down. So these are the two problems. This is unplanned maintenance. Unplanned maintenance, we don't know when this event will occur, when our network cable will be disconnected, or when the power outage will occur. So those things we not aware. So this is so they called as unplanned maintenance. The planned maintenance, they will know when our server will goes down due to our updating regarding software or hardware. So these are the two problems. So to overcome from these two problems, Azure provide an option called availability set. So we will see how availability set help us to make our server available during these two problems. Yeah, I hope you understand what is availability set and how availability set help us to make our server available during these two problems. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.